everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a very short summary recap of our beginners solo Ballroom Latin Bachatango routine number 4. So if you're looking for the full class, it was a 35-minute tutorial in my video library and it's dated the 23rd of February 2023. This is just a very short summary recap without music. So let me make a start. We did the bachata basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We then did a forwards and back bachata basic with a little flick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did half a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little ronde. 5, 6, 7, 8. Another half a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little box step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a box step with 2 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit of rotation on the last one. I then did some swivels. Left through, swivel, point, flick. Right through, swivel, point, flick. And then we did the rocking step. Rock, 2, 3, 4. And I walked around across my room. 5, 6, 7, 8. Second rocking step, slight underturn to face the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me dance the whole thing for you in one go. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a basic. 2, 3, and ronde. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3, 4, and ronde. 6, 7, 8. Box step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again with the points. And 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We use lots of the beautiful Bachatango music in our class. So do head on over to the video library, have a little look for the beginners solo Ballroom Latin pages, look for the Bachatango playlist, and it was the 23rd of February 2023 for the full tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're seeing this already in my video website, then many thanks for still supporting me. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.